Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 4 times y plus 1 equals 15. Solving means leaving the variable alone on one side, with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. Use the same operation on both sides to keep the equation equal. Subtract 1 from both sides so the variable term stands alone. That gives 4 times y equals 14. The variable coefficient is 4. Divide both sides by 4 to leave the variable alone. That gives y equals 3.5. Quick check. Substitute 3.5 for y. Both sides equal 15, so the equation balances. So, y equals 3.5.